Hello. Welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. So, alright, I'm going to pull off the data set, pull off the power, pull off the monitor connector, and pull off the keyboard connector. Oh, and this board is hot. I've had it on for a bit. Oh man, the keyboard. Oh man. The keyboard connector does not want to come off, but it will. Whew. Okay, it's off. And the screws are missing from this, so I should just have to pop and pop, and out should come the board. Now I may run into some difficulty here because there's the board. There we are. This has had ooh, wow. This has had some work done on some chips up in the top here. And wow, that doesn't look very good. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like one of them's a screen rail. Whew, that's pretty awful. Okay, so I gotta be careful not to hurt anything. So I'm gonna put this board over here and this one over here. Now this is going to be interesting because this one, the little feet, didn't want to come off. But yet there are little feet here. So maybe I need to convince them to come off so I can get this in here. Maybe. So this, oh, there's one. The little feet, they're funny things. They just have a little finger. And you just gotta give it a little squeeze. If you give it just the right squeeze, in just the right spot, it should come out. Whoa. Okay. So we've got them out. And now this should fit nicely. And here it should. There are two little feet in here. There's one, there's two. The third thing looks like it has a screw thing. Anyway, that's alright. We're in. We're in. So, plug in the monitor, the keyboard connector, which is the biggest one of everything, the power, and finally, the data set. Okay, so put down the lid, and we'll turn it on. We hear the cassette come to life. Now, how are we doing on the keyboard? Okay, we're doing good. We be doing good. So we'll take the blackjack tape, rewind the blackjack tape, and this time I'll type in load, and I will press play on tape 1. And once again, this is for certainly. Okay, now I know this keyboard needs cleaning. It absolutely does. And it says found. Okay, so there's something with this data set. Is the head dirty, or does it need to be demagnetized? Or is it out of alignment? I don't know. I just don't know. But I think I'm going to get to know datasets pretty well. So we'll see if this loads okay and works. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe as we have a moment, I'll turn this a bit more over here. And we'll let this load in chip puller. Funny, I am tempted with some of my little screwdrivers to see if I can give them a little bit of a bend. I am indeed. I suppose what I could do if I was so enchanted, but I don't know if I am. It's funny, these little feet things, they've got, oh, load error. Yes. Well, that's not surprising. Because it kind of worked before, and then it didn't. Yeah, it's not on there. Okay, new. We'll try that again. Oh, and it may be that you have to try and load it again. Maybe it's on the tape more than once. Maybe it's on the front. Maybe it's on the back. Anyway, this thing here, this little foot, if you can see that, it has a little like square thing, and the hole that it's supposed to go through is round, but there's nothing to really hold it there. And it does kind of go through. I suppose it's maybe supposed to have a little spring-loaded action to it, that it's supposed to want to stay there. But that is not happening. Anyway, I've got the back in there. I do. I suppose I could put this other board, which is over here, into this machine, but I don't think there's any great reason. So while we're here, let us look at this glorious, magnificent creation. There is a 2001 original 8K PET. The RAM chips are near this hand. This hand, there's the RAM chips, all 16 of them. The ROMs are right above. There are 7 of them. And the beautiful thing, oh, reloaded. The beautiful thing, blackjack. I'm shuffling. Good for you. 100. Oh, and it did come up okay. Would I like a hit? No. I lost. Okay. Place your bet. 200. No. Oh, oh yeah, 21. 500. No. I lost. Okay, 1,000. Would I like a hit? Yes. No. This is the push. I'm now 800. Okay. Wait, I didn't. Okay. I did not. Okay. Let's bet 2,000. Would I like a hit? Yes. 15. Would I like a hit? No. I lost. 5,000. Well, I have 12. Would I like a hit? Yes. Sure enough, got a queen. Busted. I'm now behind. Alright. 10,000. Would I like a hit? I have 4. Yes. I have 13. Would I like a hit? Yes. I got an ace. I have 14. Would I like a hit? Yes. This is the end of me. Oh, I got a 5. Where would I put the other card? Anyway, no. I won. I am now ahead by 2,200. Okay. So, here is the original board. This is where it all began. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it? I've always marveled at these massive, incredibly large heat sinks there. Anyway, so here, oh, that there, right there, that's the data set for the port for the, oh, this is weird. Oh my. This has, looks like some ground damage on here. Now, see it's all green? It's not green there. But I guess there's enough that it's okay. Wow. Oh, well, I guess, no, I guess it's just the green stuff is off. I guess that coating is not there. I wonder if there's something I should do about that. I just don't know. Alright, so, place your bet. Alright, 25,000. 15. Blackjack against me. That's not good. Alright, 50,000. Oh, next for the, okay, I bet too much. Oh, well. Anyway, it does seem to be working. I guess 50,000 is too big. It should have a thing in there that doesn't let you go. I'm going to bet 25,000 and that's it. Am I going to take a card? I got 13. I'm going to, no, I'm not going to take a hit. I have 13, 23, you busted. I'm now ahead by 25 grand. We're done. Dun, 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 dun. Rewind. Rewind. So this does seem to work with a little finickiness. Now they should also have something in here to protect you if you happen to accidentally hit nothing. Maybe we'll have to make some changes to this. Anyway, I am listing the program. It does seem to be pretty okay. But it should put something up when you are betting. Like some other character there that if you hit nothing, that it doesn't just go to ready. It should, but anyway, it doesn't. Now, does this program have sound? I don't know. I could connect it to the pet companion and see what's what. I could. Am I going to do that? I don't think so. What I guess I need to do with this machine now is take a magic eraser to it. Well, put the board back in. Take a magic eraser to it. Take the keyboard apart. And also see what I can see about the data set. And I guess the first thing would be to try and clean the head. I have another one that also doesn't work, and I've always thought about trying to demagnetize the head. But I have not, because I don't have a head demagnetizer, although I've looked online and supposedly they can be made. Maybe there's somewhere you can even order them from. I know it used to be a thing when everybody used cassette tapes. It seems like forever ago, but then it seems like yesterday. It does. Alright, so blackjack is working. I think what I might do, just to really give this machine a good test, I might turn it off, let it rest for a moment. There's a little dot in the middle. Turn it on. And type in load. And press play on tape 1. Now, what tape did I put in? Well, I put in the chess programming. Do I intend to sit here the whole time while it's doing this? And while it's setting up? No, not at all. I think what I will do is wait until this loads, and I will press run. This is loading. And then I will just let this sit and see if it ever comes and actually wants to play chess. I did this once. I taped it. I know I did. This is also a time that I wouldn't mind trying to save some of these things onto other tapes. I would not mind. Perhaps I should check both sides. Like I don't want to ruin something that's working. And of course, the other thing I could do, well, no, I'm not sure if these, see, do these machines work with a disk drive? I don't know. I know there was trouble. Maybe that's why eventually, when the ROMs were upgraded, maybe they did. But if they did, then they would probably work with the SD card reader, and I could load things in and save them. I will have to check on this. So I think maybe the next time you see me, maybe I'll be playing chess, but I think what I will do, assuming this works, is, are we still got, are we lit? The microphone is lit. Assuming that we're good, I think I will try to connect this to the pet companion, and maybe, who knows, maybe I'll play chess, but I'll have to disconnect it to plug that in. But if this is working, then I have another little thing over here that has a little monitor. It's not a Commodore monitor. It's like one of those things that plays VHS tapes. But it does have an input, I believe, and it's a smaller monitor, and really, that puts the pixels closer together. And it might be good. We are in. I'm going to press list. This 1039. I'm going to type in run. Micro chess. And indeed, it is coming up, and it is doing its thing. We have seen this before. We have. For too long, we have seen this. So I'm just going to leave this. And I think, oh, I can press stop. There. And we'll see. We'll see if this actually comes up and how long it takes to do that. It does seem to be a fairly long load and a big program, and I guess it takes a lot of setting up. So, what have we learned today? The board from this machine is now in this machine, and the keyboard works, the Datasette works. Keyboard needs to be cleaned. Datasette has something. Something is amiss with it. So, not surprising. Anyway, keyboards can be cleaned. I have done it a whole lot of times. The Datasets, I haven't done that much with, but I am forever hopeful. I am indeed. So, stay tuned as the saga of this yet another small screen 9-inch original Commodore PET computer gets back in the game. So, have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.